Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with questions from the HSEE 2019 paper, and the question that we are primarily focusing on is from the quadratic active section. We'll try and solve question number 44 from the paper itself so that we can get a general idea about the approach towards solving these questions. Okay, so let's take a look. The sides of right angle triangle are in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5, and the area of the triangle is 96 centimeters square. Fine. The length of the largest side of the triangle is, so we have a right angle triangle. Okay, so this is our triangle. Say this is 3x, this is 4x, and hypotenuse 5x. Why we have done? Because simply suppose if I consider x equal to 1, then what we can have is that 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. We know these are a Pythagorean triplet. So that's why we are taking hypotenuse as 5x. Okay, so now we find the length of the largest side. Okay, so let's take a look. So we know area is of triangle is given as half base into height. Okay, so therefore half base would be, say 4x is my base and height be 3x is equal to 96. So 6x square 96, so we know it's 16, so x squared is equal to 16. Therefore x is equal to 4. We will not consider the negative part. Okay, x is 4, so therefore this side will be 20, this side will be 12, side will be 16. Okay, so our answer will be 50. Option B. So I hope this thing is clear. So again, a fairly simple question. I don't think you should face much of an issue in this regards. So having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel, and we'll continue our discussion on the similar set of questions in the subsequent videos. Until then, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.